In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy had a special friend, a super battle droid named BD-1. BD-1 was not like other droids. He was shiny, strong, and full of kindness. One day, Timmy and BD-1 were playing in the backyard when they noticed a mysterious spaceship landing nearby. Out came a group of bad droids, led by a big, bad droid named ZZ-9. ZZ-9 is causing trouble again, Timmy said, worryingly. We must stop him. BD-1 agreed and they both ran towards the spaceship. Timmy and BD-1 bravely faced ZZ-9 and his gang. Using their wits and BD-1's unique abilities, they managed to outsmart the bad droids. The day was saved, thanks to their teamwork. ZZ-9 was defeated and he retreated back to his spaceship. Timmy and BD-1 returned home, tired but happy. That night, as they snuggled under the stars, Timmy whispered, BD-1, you're the best friend a boy could ever have. BD-1 beeped, and you, Timmy, are the bravest boy in the galaxy. They both fell asleep, dreaming of more adventures together. The end.